Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this here is their TS26S. Now I was sent this by Wurkkos directly. They wanted me to test and review this latest model of theirs. Comes in this box. Now the version I have here is the 5K, which has the Nichia LEDs. Let's check out the back here. You can see the specs here. The highest output is 3100 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get this open and see what's in. Here's the user manual. Front and back, multi-language. And this piece here lets you know there's a protection piece on the battery. They want you to remove it before using it or charging it. 2 O-rings and 1 lanyard. One USB Type-C charging cable. And we have the light is the only thing left. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. Oh, I love that body. There it is. I love that swirl on here. Grooves are nice. That is very nice. It's got a 2-way clip here. And it does have a flat finish. Compact size here, not too bad. Can table stand that if you wish. It's got your side switch here. Stainless steel bezel on here, looks good. Style and design on this is nice. Very nice idea with this. Feels great too. Now here's the charging port there. Nice and snug on that cover. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. Running quad Nichia 519A LEDs. TIR optics are very popular. Now the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. A little bit of heat sinking here on the head of the light. Button does stick out a little bit. Alright, so now let me go ahead and open this up And I'll show you the battery that it comes with. There's the tail spring, heavy duty on that. A little grease there on the threads and O-ring. There's the protection piece here you want to remove. Now, I save them. You can do so as well if you ever have to store light for quite a while. Here's the battery that it comes with. It is a 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a 15 amp. This is an unprotected cell. Spring down on the head of the light as well. Now I have not charged this yet, so we'll see how it does. And I'll charge it before I take it out there and do the night shots. Activating the light. Almost looks like a crescent moon there. On and off. Nice 5K. Press down and hold, goes through those light outputs. Or you can hold it down. Take a look here at the beam. It does have a large hotspot. Spill tapers off, which is typical for TIR. And if you do want turbo, double click that. It's a lot of lumens. Double click that, it will go back down. And then we can now do triple click, 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. And it is distracting. And we're going to triple click it again, 1, 2, 3. And I'll get you SOS, which is at a lower light output, as you can see. And it's on the slow side too. 1, 2, 3. We'll now get you beacon, which is at the full light output. Now if we triple click it again, it will go back to strobe. So we're just going to click it one time. Goes back to the last light output. Now from off, you can press and hold to get the lowest light output that this can do. And then from there you can go up through the UI. Once we're back down to the lowest of the UI, not the moonlight, double click, we'll get you that turbo. That is a nice beam. More on the flood side. Does have a hotspot though. Now if you do want to lock out this light, you can do so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the light is locked out. It will only flash for a moment. To get out of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the light comes back on and you're good to go. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty simple and easy to operate. There's got a lot of special modes on here. I personally don't use them, but they're there if you do. But very nice rugged construction on here, build quality as well. And most of all, Wurkkos makes some of the best budget lights that you can get on the market. And there's a huge market for that. Budget-friendly lights are very popular. It used to be the most expensive lights, and now it's who can get the best budget light with the features, quality at the lowest price. That's the build that people try to get in on. Now, some companies, they make some budget lights, but the rest of them are more higher end lights, which is to be expected. But some of them just stick with budget friendly, and Wurkkos is definitely doing a great job at it. Okay, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this TS26S out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos TS26S. Let's go ahead and get started on the lowest setting. Good battery power. Good for up close. You can see about 20 something feet here. Yeah, about 22, 23 feet. Here's the next level up. Now this has more of a flood beam. Water spout 38 feet. Here's the beam on the fence. See how large of an area that hotspot covers pretty good, you know. Got a mosquito on me here. It's been freezing cold out here, so I'm not sure why they be out here. Just gonna go next level here. There it is on the fence. 65 feet there. 38 feet here to the water spout. Now it is faintly making that famous tree of life, but it is faint. Let's go ahead and go up one more. Now we're seeing this famous tree of life, which is nice. Doing really good. 5K is one of my favorites, especially on the vehicles. Kind of give you an idea on the beam. Now let's go ahead and do turbo. See how it does. Look at this foreground lit up. This thing is very nice performance on this. Wow. 238 feet behind the famous tree of life here. Amazing. Turbo is lasting quite a bit out here, probably because it is freezing cold. And we'll end it here. Nice performance. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on here. The other Nichia LEDs kind of been a hit and miss for me as far as their performance, but these ones here did really well. It's got a nice light output. Now of course turbo is going to step down, but with this battery here you can use any 21700 cell. That's another beauty of it, because you're going to wear down this battery, easily swap it out, put another one, or you can charge it on the go via USB Type-C. It's really up to you. Very nice rugged build quality on here. I'm not seeing any issues with it. I did notice I was trying to move the clip here, and I noticed that you can actually remove the head, so I wanted to kind of show you that as well. This contact on the head, show you that spring there before I forget. Sometimes these ones with the charger, they glue the head of the light, but this one they didn't do. Nice quality through and through, well greased threads, so handy O-ring as well. I like putting the port right where the clip is, just to be on the, kind of got to move it just right. There we go. In any case, simple UI, nice wide beam on there. It does have a large focused area, and not really a hot spot, but it does help increase the range, that is. This TIR, the spill area kind of falls off, so it's no real sharp cutoff on that, but I'm not seeing any issues with it. Battery that it comes with, more than powerful enough to give you decent run times, and definitely like this grooves on the body, the way they did this. Very nice. Okay, well, I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this TS26S to review. Now remember, this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need. If this is something you're interested in getting, take a look at the description box below this video. I am working on a special discount code. If I do get it, it'll be there as well with that link. That'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Wurkkos lights, new that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.